What if I told you that building wealth isn't about luck? It's not about waiting for some big break or winning the lottery. It's about the habits you build today, the mindset you choose to adopt, and the small decisions you make every day that add up to a life of financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share with you the fundamentals of wealth building, from how to make your money grow, to generating income outside your 9-to-5, and finally, how to live a wealthier life by making smarter financial decisions. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, keep watching. This could be the turning point for you. First things first, building wealth is not about luck. It's about habits. The truth is, you can win big by doing small things consistently over time. Let's break that down. Take compound interest, for example. This is where your money starts working for you. Imagine putting your money into an investment and then earning interest on that money. And next time, you're earning interest on the interest. Over time, this snowball grows faster than you think, but only if you get started today. It's time to shift your perspective. Instead of thinking about spending, think about investing. Every dollar you spend is a dollar that doesn't grow, but every dollar you invest is a seed for your future wealth. Let's build the foundation. The first step? Track your income and expenses. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't control it. Write down your expenses and make sure you're not overspending in areas that don't align with your goals. Create a budget. Allocate your resources effectively. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about prioritizing what really matters. Next, build an emergency fund. This is your safety net for those unexpected moments life throws at you. Think of it as a cushion that keeps you safe when life gets bumpy. Now, let's talk about how to make your money grow. You've heard of stocks, bonds, and real estate, but what does all of that mean for you? And don't forget, long-term investing is where the real magic happens. Patience, consistency, and time are your best friends when it comes to building wealth through investments. Alright, let's talk about generating income. Your 9-to-5 is great, but let's be honest, it's not enough. You need to unlock extra streams of income. Side hustles are game changers. From freelancing to building an online business, the opportunities are endless. The best part? You can start small and scale over time. Your skills are valuable. Leverage them. Then there's passive income. Imagine assets that earn you money while you sleep. It could be rental income, royalties from a book, or even dividends from your investments. The more you build, the less you have to work for it. Living a wealthier life isn't just about money. It's about creating the freedom to live life on your terms. It starts with a strong financial foundation. And once you build that, you can dream big. Whether it's traveling the world, paying for your kids' education, or enjoying retirement without worries, your financial literacy and discipline will get you there. Financial literacy is your superpower. The more you learn, the more you grow. This is a lifelong journey, so keep investing in yourself. So, let's recap. Building wealth starts with your mindset, creating strong habits, tracking your money, and investing in your future. The secret to success? Consistency and patience. Start today and you'll thank yourself later. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. I believe in you. Now go out there and start building the life you deserve. Hit that like button if you're ready to take control of your financial future, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best, wealthiest life.